If you like to keep up with what's going on in the real estate market, listen to this video. The August numbers are out for the Greenville real estate market, and it's no surprise. Listings are down, interest rates are up, home sales have slowed, but things are still moving. So if you need a home, go buy a home, because when rates start to fall, there's going to be a free-for-all for houses. So if you find the house that you like, go on ahead and buy it. I know we can say we can always refinance later. That's easy for me to say, but I can tell you when rates do fall, there's going to be a big run for everything that's on the market. Right now it is still a seller's market. There is a 3-month inventory on homes. Be on the lookout for discounts that are out there. For instance, there's a local builder at 4.99% interest rate. If you are in the market for new homes, they're making up about 30% of the sales right now. If you are interested in something like that, make sure you reach out to one of us here at the Expert Real Estate Team. Give us a call at 864-895-9791.